All right, welcome back everybody. So today we're gonna work on finishing up the rear suspension. Everything's pretty much done at this point, but everything's just tacked in place for the most part. So my plan today is just to pull all that out, weld it all up, sand it, paint it, and get it back in the car. I just wanted to make sure everything worked 100% before I welded everything, just so I didn't create any more work for myself if I found something was rubbing or something like that. But everything works 100%. Filled the air springs with air, tested everything, checked everything like 3 or 4 times. So I'm confident that's gonna work. So I'm just gonna get everything out right now, paint it, get it back on the car, and at that point we're done with the suspension stuff. We can put that behind us. Airlines, compressors, all that stuff next, and then we'll be done. But in the meantime, we're gonna address this, get this done so we can move forward. All right, so I got all the rear suspension components out here. So these just pretty much are done and ready to get painted. These need to be fully welded now that everything's fit and everything works. Also got to weld these back onto here, and then once that's done, I'm going to just sand everything, paint it, and get this hung back up on the car. All right, so now I got everything painted here, get the bolts in here. These are done, these are ready. And all I gotta do now with these is just throw the bushings back in, and then I'm just gonna go put this all back in the car right now. I have everything assembled and tightened down. Shock mount. There's the tie rod and bracket. Lower control arm. Air springs bolted down tight. The fitting in there. So that side is a wrap. I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. Alright, so that'll do it for today's video. So I'm kind of glad we got all that done. It was a pretty big project, but still pretty cool to do. So now we can just kind of move forward and do all the little stuff. I mean, the hard work's pretty much behind us at this point. So we'll get the airlines and all that kind of stuff done, the compressors, the wiring, all that stuff. We'll knock that out over the next couple of videos, and then we'll be done. So if you enjoyed the video, press like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.